In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Zoho Landing Page. We'll walk through the process from the moment you open Zoho's product list, all the way to choosing and editing a template. By the end, you'll be ready to start building a professional looking page without having to design everything from scratch. First, once you're on the Zoho All Products page, look for the option labeled Landing Page. This is usually listed among Zoho's marketing or website tools. Go ahead and click on Landing Page. This takes you to the main Zoho landing page product area where you can access the builder and manage your pages. On the Zoho landing page introduction screen, you'll see a button that says Access Zoho Landing Page. Click that button. If you're not already signed in, Zoho may ask you to log into your account. Once you're in, you'll be brought into the Zoho landing page workspace, which is where all your landing page projects and templates are managed. Inside the workspace, Zoho will give you a few different ways to get started. To make things simple, we're going to begin with a ready-made layout. Look for the option that says Start with a blank template, or followed by various template categories. The key idea here is that you can choose to build everything from a totally blank canvas, or you can save time by adapting an existing design. In this tutorial, we'll focus on using an existing template. On the template screen, browse through the available designs. You'll usually see different categories like lead generation, sign-up pages, event registrations, or product promotions. Take a moment to scroll and find a layout that matches the purpose of your landing page. For example, if you're collecting newsletter sign-ups, find a simple form-focused design. If you're promoting a product or service, look for a template that highlights features and a strong call to action. Once you've found a template that fits your goal, click on it to select it as your starting point. Zoho will open the template in the editor, where you can begin customizing text, images, colors, and buttons to match your brand and messaging. At this stage, you've successfully created a new landing page project in Zoho Landing Page using an existing template, and you're ready to move on to editing and optimizing it for your audience.